Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page been a blessing to you, please check out my link tree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats for you. Your word of the day is me. It's time to be selfish today. There's nothing wrong with being selfish. There's nothing wrong with not worrying about the next person's cup and pitcher. If your pitcher is empty, how can you help the other person? If you're not in a healthy state, in a strong state, how can you help the next person? Your heart can be in the right place. The road to hell is paved with good intentions. But if you take care of yourself, make sure that your needs are met, you fill up your pitcher, you make sure you pamper and nurse yourself, you'll be able to help those around you. I allow serenity to reign within me. The love I have for myself invites harmony to settle within my being. I listen to and honor and strive to fulfill the needs of my soul. So today, have your favorite beverage, have your favorite food, have your favorite snack, go to your favorite place of peace, and make sure you pamper yourself. Have a spa day. Take care of yourself today. For when you take care of yourself, you're strong enough to help others. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.